so up to this point we have sanded it, rubbed it down with acetone, primed it, and this is 1 can of John Deere Ace industrial paint, spray paint, and I got a can of roll-on we're going to put on, and then we're going to use some rubberized Bondo spray paint on the bottom. We're going to clean this up, rub it down with some microfiber rags, and get back to it. Okay guys, when you paint or just do just about anything, whether it's cleaning, detailing a car, you want to start from top to bottom. That way you know where you started and where you're going to finish, and you never miss a spot. I'm going to get this one busted out and show y'all it. That's the first coat of the roll-on done. A few spots like down here needs to be touched up with a smaller brush. Overall it's coming out pretty good though. Alright guys, so I just sprayed 3 cans of this Bondo rubberized undercoating on the parts that are going to be up under the water, just to give them a little bit more strength. We got some overspray spots that we'll go back and paint over right there green. But it's coming out pretty well. Alright guys, we got the inside painted up pretty well. I'm going to let y'all pick out what color we do at the bottom. No dark colors, no straight bright colors. Give me a medium tone, guys. We got her finished up painted. Transom redone. Put this on here to give the metal a little bit more sturdiness. Complete transformation now.